This I am inside now the field from green beans. So when they were like this size, this one we hang it like this. We hang all over, and then maybe today or tomorrow this side also we will bind it. So this is the field from green beans, flat green beans. This we plant 10 days ago, that one is 20 days ago. So now there are small baby plants from the seeds. Sometimes we buy baby plant from market and then we plant it, but sometimes we just have the seeds and we plant it. So there we have the seeds all over like this, and the seeds look like this. Seed is like this, seed is like this, and then you see it is start growing all over. So when it is like this, when they are like this much high, then we have to hang it with a rope. I will show you how to hang, and we hang it like this. You see this, and then this, and you can see both sides they are hanging. And now what we are doing, we are spreading this black material, black black mat you can say, on the bottom, on the land, on the floor, like this, like this, like this, and we will spread it all over here. We spread it so that this thing will get hotter sooner. This greenhouse would be getting warm very fast with this. Yeah, that's what I want to show. When we finish, then I will show you again one more time how it look. Bono? And then at the end it look like this. We cover the ground with this black mat, and we cover the black mat with soil. And this pipe is for water. Water will go like this all over, and yeah, here also all main water supply is coming from here. It will spread here, and then same for here, same for here, And this we already tie them all over this. You can see this we will do it tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow we will make them tied. All right. Good. So this is a sheet, black sheet. We will put it on the floor, on this grass, on this ground. Why we put this on ground? So that we can consume more energy from the sun. So it is black surface, so it will get more heat, more warm, quicker, and then that heat will just stay inside this glass tube, so-called greenhouse. And yeah, there is no other way, no other method to do this. So yeah, just with hands.